This is an icon security technique. This is the bidding, and then these little things, these little flanges on the side, they're just for key control. It would appear. If you look at the wording, you can see the T-shaped. So to get into this, I'm going to use a 32 thousandths Cobra Instruments pry bar in the top of the keyway, and I'm going to start out with a Jimmy Long's medium hook. So going in, I got nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4. I might have got something on a 5. Come back to the front. 1, 2, nothing on 2. Alright, I got another little click at a 5. 1, 2. Alright, so number 3, I got a click and we went into a false set. So I'm gonna switch over to the Jimmy Long's deep hook. Number 2, I'm getting a little counter rotation. Nothing on 3. And then number 4, I had to push all the way up, and that's open. But yeah, that is the icon security technique.